All right, guys, so I've decided I'm going to install this Vedder holster pad on camera. Going to follow the directions, show you how it works. Vedder did send this out to me free of charge, and I really do appreciate that. And I'm going to see how this, because I'm going to be honest with you, I have not, the Vedder holsters that I have don't need this. So that's why I'm trying it on a different holster. So anyway, how to get started, they say use the wipe provided to clean the back of your holster, remove the backing from the Velcro strip and press firmly, and then align the holster pad to your desired orientation and trim to the size you need. Press the pad onto the back of your holster for all day comfort. So here goes. This is what you see. So the front, this is what's going to touch your body here. Okay, nice and slick, probably really sweat wicking. And then what have we got? We've got the Velcro that they talk about. And under said Velcro is the alcohol pad. So we'll pull the Velcro strips off. So anyway, we got this alcohol prep pad. Here it is. And we're just going to open that up, follow the directions. Give it a good wipe. I'm going to wipe the entire, everything, all the way, every square inch. Clean this up real good. Now let that dry. All right, so my alcohol's dry. I have kind of laid this up here, and I have decided that it looks like I need to trim this in the bottom notch. This is going to be the shortest configuration for this holster. So something about like that. So I'm going to go ahead and trim this. And again, I'm going to try not to touch this because I've cleaned it with that alcohol. I don't want to get any greasy fingerprints on it. And I've just got my homemade deer antler knife that I made some years ago, and I'm just going to give this a trim right on this line here and see how that goes. So trying to just follow this line, and I'm on this old wooden bench of mine, so I'm not anywhere that I'm going to cause any problems if I cut through. Obviously, if you're doing this on your wife's dining room table, you might want to use like a pair of scissors or something, guys. Don't cut your wife's dining room table. Not that I know that from experience. So got that all trimmed up. There it is. So that's the configuration we're going to use. Bring this back in. And again, kind of where is the Velcro going to lie? It's going to be down here. So I'm going to put my two Velcro strips, like one here and one here probably. So Velcro strip number 1 can go there. Press that in nicely. I'm going to try and put that right with the muzzle there. I think that'll work nicely. Right there. Okay. Again, per their directions, clean it. And then press this Velcro on. And then we're going to put our pad where we want it. Which will be, let's see if I can do this right. Put it about, nope. Let me line it up top here. We're going to put it about right here. I think will be good. So we're going to kind of mush that in, okay, so that it'll hold. And then I'll put it on and try it, see how it does. So there we go, guys. So we got our Vedder pad, and we're going to see how that does, and I'll let you know.